Hi, it's Emily from WTI. Calling all outdoor enthusiasts, I just found your next bag. This outdoor adventure bag from Buffalo is up to the task, whatever that is. This bag is ready for any adventure that you're ready for. It has a 100% waterproof zipper closure. The zipper on this thing is just crazy. When you zip it, it completely disappears. I don't even know how they did that, but it's amazing. It makes it fully waterproof, and they even included some additional silicone grease so that you can keep it running super smoothly. The material itself is made from this 1000D durable tarp-like shell. It's basically like scuba gear in a bag. It is fully submersible and double stitched to protect against all the weather. And it's so huge that you can fit a ton of gear in it. You can also carry this bag 4 ways. It has handle straps, it comes with an included shoulder strap, and they even included backpack straps with a chest harness. We found the straps on this bag were actually quite comfortable. This bag is not designed to go backpacking for 40 miles through the bush, but if you need to pack a bunch of gear through semi-questionable conditions and maybe do a few river crossings, this bag is going to get you there. It's got multiple places that you can thread straps through for a safe and secure attachment to any kind of adventure mobile. In order to test this bag, we decided to put it through the ringer. We took this out to a nearby river and we threw it off a bridge and floated it down the river, and it stayed 100% waterproof through the entire process. We are ready for the next adventure, and I think you will be too if you grab this bag from Buffalo Gear. But that's my point of view.